I'm in a Land Rover LR2 and I want to show you how to reset the service or oil life. It'll show up when you turn on the car here. So what you got to do is hold this here, hold the start button there, and continue to hold. It'll say service like that, flashing. Once it stops, you can let go of the start, press and or release, and then press again, and then you're going to see distance, date, end, distance, date, end. So on the distance, go ahead and hold it like so. Keep holding. Cannot reset, only because I just reset it before this video. So, and then you want to go to date, hold that down again, and it's going to say reset. I don't think I reset that one before, so that's good. And so, and then when you're done, just go to end and hold and release, and then it'll show you how many miles until your next service. 7450, and then 182, which I don't know exactly what that means, but we're just mainly concerned about the mileage. So hey, there you go. I really hope this video helped you guys out. This is a Land Rover LR2. I'll have the model year and everything in the description if you want to check. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Peace.